I'm a design engineer for Seven Trent Water. So I think I work within water treatment design, which is looks from end to end, from optioneering to detailed design of water treatment assets. So Cranfield is a big name in the water sector with a lot of cutting edge technology which is being trialed here, and a lot of companies want a piece of that action. So it's excellent that I've positioned myself in such a way that we can do a lot of work here and take our findings back and put it back into industry. Yeah.
My background is in mechanical engineering. I started my career in water industry, and I was working on the mechanical side of things, and after some time I had this interest of knowing what's happening, the process and all that.
The reason behind choosing Cranfield University was the fact that how much importance we give to the technical aspect of learning. It's more about how we can integrate what we do scientifically into what we achieve on field, on site. So it's a great opportunity and a place to learn before you move on in industry.
After completing my masters, I am still here in Cranfield. So I'm currently doing my MSc Bioresearch here in water. I am now working in PFAS treatment. So I want to broaden my research and focus more on my research in the long term, maybe becoming an industry expert, a process design engineer focusing on micropollutants and PFAS remediation from drinking water.
So I would say my course has definitely impacted my career prospects. So what the work I've done and the things I've been taught at Cranfield, I've directly been able to transfer it on to my work. So some of the work I've done as for my projects, for my thesis, now is being reflected in real life because I'm being able to do exactly that on a commercial scale. So I think it's been very enriching that way. Yeah.
Cranfield is the best place regarding the facilities and the support and the opportunities here. Yeah, you can go for it. I am an example. I am still here. I am doing another MSc here.